Intake on a dog. The person walks in with the dog, fills out a relinquish form. Next step would be to neckband the dog and decide if it's a male or female. So we can start the chart. We have the chart. Our next step will be, after the paper is filled out and we put the neckband and everything, would be to take the dog back to our exam room. This is where the initial exam will be performed. After the dog is checked by a veterinarian, we will either put it in a isolation room, in an ISO cage, or it will go to a cage in a puppy ISO. The dog will be placed in a cage for a safe period of time. After that, probably will be taken to the outside kennels